Obia eka Kumasi Asante Kotoko squad dead. Finally, Coach Prosper Ogumnati a breaking silence. On also kabibi about the squad death. No, obviously, a assemble kupena Ubia eka. The okano and too different from the public. No eka about Kumasi Asante Kotoko squad death. No Ogum episode chimuze. Say no in terms of quality pa there. Oba Ghana ha untimi hu team ma obeka so ya head here class of folk players na almost since I know akwa division 2 for DBB new DB ase na ifo no peripherals for no more other Ghanaian Premier League clubs no enenam mu kakra so hu na coach Prosper Ogum echemu say Kotoko team no say no in terms of quality there is no doubt na aka ade baako which is the okano no na adwuma and just support adwuma the confidence and courage and also aka was instill in the players na no obi beka say supporters with mama players confidence yebeba so but ogumunsem odi tu dwa no ahead of Kotokone baby any go stars china e the Cape Coast Sports Stadium and na odi nsem we tu dwa. I say there is so much quality in the team. We need to ensure that we instill courage and confidence in the players so that they can express themselves whenever given the chance. Ogum said, the quality and depth are there, and it is promising for Kumasi Asante Kotoko Ukuma Pemba Isamoto Yemfango Chaloto or saying quality with team num. Na the here pass say near say or ensure say courage and confidence beba. Now players it's me express well whenever given the chance to play. And also of course which him say the quality are there. Now as I say no look promising. Any can say see promising hona. What's a quality na wo mu no a dead inti Ogum we di adwuma kese na da so. Atora bia supporters ankoya ya criticize almost say ekum the confidence of the player. Inti supporters no so do sometimes na enya abotere on that. Echina menya ne ntie say meeting bi akoso na Kotokone baby any go stars no squad no be quite about 40% different from the start year no. China bit menya goalkeeper Kamara Mohammed obe starte Ablo ebe starte Tenedu ebe starte Patrick Esiedu ebe starte ahead of a smart. Yes, that's the crucial changes are likely say maybe different from squad they started the other time against media man. On person mo try ni nyina no mu